This video is going to explain how to produce an assembly drawing. Then we can open a template used for your assignment. The template will be in a folder, for example, in the assignment folder. So we double click this template. Right. At this stage, the template is A4 paper. In order to produce an assembly drawing, we need a large paper. So we need to change to A3. Click on this, settings, then click on the sheet setup. Here, click on the background, click on the drop-down menu, click on A3, click on OK. You can see the paper size has been changed. Click on Fit. So now we have a right paper size. From here, just click on Home, then start to bring the file in, use the View Wizard. So we are going to bring in assembly file. We need to actually make sure assembly document is selected. We're going to use that as an example. Pin brushing circlip assembly, click on OK. Right, same as before the pin appears, we need to actually click on front, click on cost to see whether we got the right one. Okay, that is the front. Okay, click, close, click on front and view, and one isometric view, click on OK. Then we can change the scale. Right, and click, and can move this to a different place. I think it's better to be here because we're going to place a part list here. To play part list, we need to click on part list. Then we click on the view you want to place the blooms on that particular view, which is normally like this. You can see the box, which is the part list box. But before you click, you need to actually add this part list property. The first things we need to do is to change the style of the blooms. So you need to uncheck this box so as you only can have the number in a circle of bloom. Then the next is to change the column. We need to remove file name. Click on one and click on delete. We need to click delete as author as well. We need to add two more things in. One is material. Click on add column. The other one is project. Add column. We need to place the order, make it downwards. Down. Okay, from top to the bottom where appears on the part list from left to right. Okay, as we know, according to British standard, we should have all letters in capital, so we have to change this into capital. So to change. Okay. Zero. And for the project, for the part name, quantity is still quantity. We need to move this part name to the second. Move up. And the number, item number, part name, material, quantity. It's okay. Then you click on OK. So if you place your part list in this corner and click, you'll see your part list all there. Because I already assigned the material properties for each part as a steel, so you can see the steels there, but the part name is not assigned automatically. Therefore, we need to actually do it again. So we need to add this part list. Okay, I just click that one and click on this one. So this time, we need to actually change the part list by changing the data. So if you click on the data tab, right click allow cells overrides, then you can change the name. So if you have a look at the number 1 point on the pin, number 2 on the bushing, number 3 on the circlip. So we better to highlight all of these and give allows override. And again, make sure they are all in capital. Number 2 is bushing. Number 3 is circlip. You can see quantity is 112. Okay, if you click on OK, yeah, there. You can click on this dot line and remove it. If you don't remove it, you can drag the dot line and the other balloons go with it. If you want to set them free individually, you can click on the dot line and press delete. That be deleted. That from now on, you only can drag number one by one. Make sure these numbers are run clockwise. Okay. On top of that, we need to add some basic information to it, including a center line, and center line for end view. We also need to add the overall dimensions. We need to use distance between to add overall length. Right, drag away. Okay, make sure the blooms are not actually attached. They can cross it if you can't avoid it, but it shouldn't be like that. Right, then we can draw the overall width. Maybe from this point to that point, and height this point to that point. Right. According to the assignment, you need to make sure these dimensions are in one decimal place. To change the dimension, you need to do is click on the dimension. Place, so for example, it's a 13.3. Same as this one. Click. So round up to 13.6. Right. But you see here is underscore. You need to get rid of this underscore. Right, click, select the right click dimension properties. In this window, we can change this symbol to none. Click OK. So that becomes the one without underline. You do the same here. Click this one. Right click, properties, change it to none. Click OK. Okay. Now you have the dimensions. You have the part list. The next one is to complete your title block. You can follow the previous video to complete your title block. That's it for this video.